Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. You know, I'm happy that you're here with me. Makes me smile. I got a special surprise in the mail yesterday. The sweet, talented artist and ladies, Debbie and Christina, sent me a couple bottles of this mixed pouring medium. Now, I did try it out yesterday. I didn't film it though because I get all crazy. I don't worry about my composition. I tried it on half the canvas doing a ring pour. On the other half of the canvas, I did a swipe. Down the middle, I did a different swipe, and it was just kind of crazy when it was done. But the pouring medium is lovely, guys. Now, it's a little thicker than what I'm used to because I put Golden GAC 800 or Golden Gloss pouring medium into my PM with my Floetrol, and GAC 800 is much thinner than Floetrol, and it's thinner than this, but you can add water to this if you like. So I fiddled with it and I was very, very impressed with it. One of the things I noticed immediately is I came down to test it and I didn't pre-mix my paints. I mixed them right before I did my pour, and there were absolutely no air bubbles in my base coat, no air bubbles in my paint. So I don't know what the deal is with that, but that was very, very nice. There's no odor. And I'm sorry, am I upside down? I can never tell if I'm upside down or not. Some lady said I film all my videos upside down. If I'm upside down, guys, let me know and I'll flip it around for sure. But I always paint in the direction that I'm looking at, so you see what I see. So if you want me to flip it around, by all means, just let me know. But this pouring medium is very nice. Now, all my paints, including my base coat, are mixed with this. And I did add some water because it's a little thicker than what I'm used to, guys. You get to the consistency that you're comfortable with, and you tend to stick with that. No odor. Very little air bubbles goes a long way. My paints are 1 part paint mixed to 3 parts to 3.5 parts of the mixed pouring medium, and then I added enough water to get down to the consistency that I am comfortable with. Let me give you a show. It's a little thicker than what I'm used to, and that's why I'm going to do a ring pour today, because when I do my swipes, I like my paint much more thinner. But there you go. This is going to be our base coat color today, and I'll tell you why. I have a lot of this. A Paint and Peep sent me some, and then I purchased some a few weeks back when I went to the Blick store in Savannah. And it's a pretty copper. Now, why am I wasting it on a base coat that you might not see much of it? Well, because I am so partial to my golden fluid copper that I keep ignoring this. So I figured, what the heck, let's give it a go and let's see what it does. It's a lovely paint, but my golden copper is so delish, guys, that whenever I'm reaching for a copper color, even though I have probably 5 or 6 different manufacturers, I always grab my golden. So this is Blick's acrylic paints, and this is the metallic copper. It's a very nice color, guys. Now, our other colors in this yummy cup right here, we have Golden Carbon Black, which is still one of the nicest blacks that I have found. It dries nicely, doesn't get too much of that milkiness to it when it's dry like Artist Loft does. We also have Sargets Art Acrylic Metallic, and I love this paint. This is the Aztec Gold. I first saw Julie Vatcher from Julie Vatcher's Art used it, and I bought a bottle, and I ran out a couple of weeks ago, so I just got this back in the mail. Very delicious color, guys. This pretty color right here, I'm really digging on. Can you see my consistency, guys? It leaves a mound on a mound on a mound, which is what Sweet Mina says. Now when I swipe, my paint falls directly through the paint below. So this is thicker than I'm used to. That paint right there is Chroma Molten Metals, and that is their aged bronze. And I also put in a couple of dashes of my golden fluid iridescent bronze. And this final color is kind of fun. That is DecoArt Satin Enamel, and that is the beige or the neutral beige. And I mixed into it the last, I've been hoarding this, the last of my Rust-Oleum metallics in the metallic champagne. So about half of this, and then our pouring medium. So we're gonna fiddle. We're going to have some fun. We're going to do a painting, and we are going to see once again how this mix works. I have no doubt it will do well after yesterday's experiment. Thank you, ladies, and best of luck to you guys. Guys, check these ladies out. I'll put the link in the description box below where you can get this product. I know Heather Mader has used it. Sarah Mack helped make it very, very popular. So what the heck, I'm giving it a go. And you know what? These ladies worked hard to put this together. They're fellow artists, and we need to support them. So wishing you ladies the best of luck with this venture. Enough of chatty Cathy, guys. Let's put some tunes on and let's get busy.
Sometimes you let it in, sometimes could lie wide awake and leave my head up in space. Countless nights and days when you are far away, and I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and I'll make it worth your while. While, make it worth your while. All the things I would do just to get close to you. There's something about the way you move, and I try to follow you. And I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide.